In this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over this solar powered power bank from the company GOODaaa. So the Good AAA here. Let's just go over the box. It's got a lightning cable output. It's a 5 volt by 2 amp, USB-C output, 5 volt, 3 amp, USB-A output, 5 volt, 2.1 amp, USB-C output, so it's 3 volts. So is there a large one on it? Solar charging, it can go up to 5 volts, which, you know, it's got a small solar panel. We got to be realistic on there. Wireless output charging, it's got a 5 volt wireless output, and mine is in a green color. It comes in orange, green, black, blue, red. How cool is that? You know, I've had products from these guys before, and I have been very impressed with these companies. Oh, there is a secret. I'll show you an Easter egg on this one right here. This is really cool. Let me show you. You get a little nice little kind of, looks like a Crown Royal bag. So taking it out of the package here, you can see it's already green. What does that green mean? It means the solar panel is charging. How about that? Got a solar panel there. You get a little lanyard with it. Oh, very good quality lanyard. Look at that. And a USB-C cable for charging or charging another device. And I think that's it. So let's check this thing out. So just looking over here, very high quality. Looks solid. You see this little leg right here? There's a little pull-out leg. Look at that little stand. So that little pull-out stand goes like that. But let me show you the hidden feature on this thing. There's a power button here and a power button here. Look at this, everybody. See this little thing right here? You're wondering, why does it have two? That is an antenna. So how about this? Watch when I hit this button here. It's a radio. How about that? This is actually, they just included a FM radio on there. Now, the only way to change stations is you have a seek function here. So you hit that button. Now what it does, it just basically seeks for radio stations. I'm not going to play music because it'll get me copyright. But we can go through the stations right here.
You see this picture here.
Look at that.
That he came on a white
How about
horse.
that?
Can somebody yell out to me just like, who do you
Now you see that? You got actual radio. How awesome is that? Now that is an innovative feature. The speaker's right up here on top. And the antennae, I would like to see this antennae to be able to rotate around so it doesn't break off. But you know what? While it's setting up, I don't see any issues with that at all. And it gets a charge while it's outside. To check the charge, so then put the kickstand back up. To check the charge, you see this power button right here? Actually, let's turn the radio off. See the power button right here? Hit that button. Now you see I've got 3 right there. And there's a cord. So go over here to the side. There's a lightning cable and a USB-C, so they got you covered if you're Android or iPhone. And let's check the iPhone here. So using my phone, well, instantly it started charging. There you go. I am getting a charge so that the lightning cable works. How about the wireless charging? The problem is I have this case on here, so the wireless charging, I'm going to have to hit it directly on it. Am I directly on it? That's the problem. Let me take it out of this case. I did hear it. Oh, it is. It's charging. There it is. It's charging. So my camera lifts up right there, but it still says it's charging, even though the camera's up. So let's try that again. See, it won't charge when it's like that because my camera's lifting up, but watch when I turn it to its side right here. Bam. Works perfect. I don't see any issues with that at all. So now let's go ahead and let's test out the USB-C cable on this thing. So I have these little my little camera batteries right here. Let's try these out, see if it comes on. There it is. It is charging the little camera batteries. You see the red right there and the 2 green. So it's charging those. So the USB-C cable works. How about the actual outlet cable? Try it right here. So this thing does have like a 15-watt charging on it. So it does have like a fast charger. Yep, it went through right away. So it's charging. Now it's a 15-watt charger like that. Now let's go ahead and let's test the USB-A. So you could actually charge up to 4 or 5 devices. I could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 devices at once. And this has 45,800 milliamps of capacity in this thing. So we know we have enough power in here to charge all of these devices when you need to. And then you know what? If you absolutely need to, hold the power button down for a few seconds and watch this. Boom, you got a little LED light. So you got a little flashlight, a radio, a solar charger, you know, and a, let's turn it back down. We don't need to turn it all the way up. So you got a radio built into this thing. You've got a lanyard on it. You've got a antennae, and then you got a USB-C, USB-A, and a wireless charging on here. So yeah, this is going to be a great little item to use for amongst my travel, and it's almost indestructible. This thing feels tough. This thing feels like it's almost indestructible. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the GOODaaa solar-powered battery bank radio. See you on the next video.